Hello guys, my name is Tommy and today we're going to be doing a video. I'm recording a YouTube video.
Huh?
I'm recording a YouTube video.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Really, I don't want you to.
It's,
How can you record yourself?
I'm not recording myself, I'm only recording the screen.
Okay.
So today we'll just be playing some Overwatch. So, let's start playing some Duels. So, today, once I've uploaded this video, a couple hours later, I will probably be doing a live stream. Maybe with a face cam, maybe not. I'm not too sure. Hopefully it should be about an hour. But it might be, might not, depends. Now this guy's only just a higher level than me, but hopefully it should be fine. Now I hope this video doesn't get corrupted, because my last video did. Wow, that was a quick match. We lost once again. Oh yeah, this should be a goodish match. I'm good with the Risa. Where is this guy shooting me from? Alright, if he's shooting me from there, I'm gonna shoot from here. So he's trying to oh yeah. I don't know what this guy's trying to do. Alright, here, now it should be an easy game. Oh. Okay, I just got a few headshots on him. Right. I am going to sort of come up here and yeet this up. I'm just gonna rush in. This guy can't kill me. You know what? Fine. Draw. Okay. That was a draw, I guess. I haven't got one of them for a while. So, right now, I should. Now, once I've teleported up here, I'm just going to shotgun the hell out of him. Now, this is a family-friendly YouTube channel, so don't worry about that. Even though I might be doing a Minecraft video. So, oh, she's there. Oh, right. Yeet. Close. Well, I might have to end the video after this match. After this fight, I'm going to end this video. So, just a good reminder, remember to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends. So, I hope you enjoy this. I'm just gonna quickly finish this. Well, actually, I'm just gonna let him kill me. I want to end the video. Even though I am gonna spam this kid. And here we go. And see you guys later. Goodbye. Subscribe.